Uncle Mark, welcome back to the channel. Nice to have you with us. If you're new to the channel, welcome to you too. This time I'm just working on the Impala. Little issue with this little fuse panel or fuse box. It's the one that does all the stuff when you turn the key off. You have power for a little while. You can do, your lights stay on, your radio stays on if you don't get out of the car. What else would do that? Power windows would stay operational for certain doors there till everybody's out. Had a little problem. Take a look. It was greenies. It got water intrusion in it. Hoping I can take it apart and maybe fix it. I don't know exactly what's inside there. Corrosion and stuff took this apart, and that goes in there, and look at this. I don't know if it still makes contact or not, but it was not happy at one point in time. So this wire here is this pin, if I can hold it right on my thumb, that's going to bend over. See this? It's just ready to bust off. So I cut the wire, and I'm going to find out which wire that was on this side, and we're going to join them together. What else can we do? This passenger side fuse block, and I want to take it apart because we're having some issues. I've had this short out. I believe this is for the power locks. It stinks. It's got some greenies on it I've tried to clean up already. I wonder what's going on inside here. I wish we had smell-o-vision because you could really smell it. I understand how it comes apart. There's these little clips in here, but they're not easy to do. We've already mangled one. I think we're just gonna mangle them all. You can always tie strap it back together. So we'll take a picture of this just so then I know where all these guys go back in. Well, the basic ones are just which 10 amps, which, what are the yellow ones, 20s? 20, the 25, and the 10 in that corner there. That's all we need to know basically. The rest is pretty simple. Yes, I can't set it in there flat, so that's why I have to do it. We'll zing this off first and take it from there. Got my handy little die grinder. Now this isn't really the way to do it, but that's the way I'm going to try. Let's see, what do we do here now? There we go. Of course, this isn't the way to really do it. Whoa, you guys okay? Put it this way, then you can see what's going on, huh? I'm gonna leave the two tabs on the bottom and the top. I'm gonna try and actually open them the proper way. It'll be fine, it's an old car. The tab here, we can see from the bottom here and there. Let's do this one too. Actually, the tabs aren't completely gone. If you look here, we've only wrecked part of it. So that actually might actually work for removing it. Call me crazy, but I think I'm going to do the same. Not that, because that's for something else. Down here, is that where it is? Oh, it's up here. Let's do the same. I'm confident I can get it to sit back together. Let's flip it around. All my electronics buddies are going to be just going, oh my goodness, Mark, what the heck are you doing? It's called being silly. One last one here. I'm not sure what's going on here, so I'm going to just try and cut the rest of this out, see what this really looks like for... I'm thinking... If I understand right, this is the tab that pushes down, doesn't it? Can't pop up. Forgot one more here. Let's do them all. So it looks like you can push down, you can move it open a little bit. Oh, I almost need a bigger screwdriver, I think. I'm going to make these a little wider. Might work a little better. Should just pop open. Slowly popping here, but there we go. There we go. Trust me. You're going, what butchery, but seems to be working. My butchery is working. Do the same with this side, I think. Crazy? Crazy. I'm crazy for feeling something. And there's probably a copyright there. Oh, there we go. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. Nice. I didn't cut wide enough, did I? Out or... Oh, I heard it go click. Whoa, oh, back in. But clips holding us together. It's still pretty stinking stuck together. I know, you're saying, did you just hack open a $200 part or something? Probably. This still. Oh. Not good. Look right there. Look at all the greenies. Do we dare? Wow. Yowzers. Well, I got a little bit of this stuff. I wish I had a better way to do it then. Actually, maybe we can do this. Put a little bit in the cap. That could work. I don't know if we can sop it up now. See what that looks like. Yeah, at least we kind of know what's the level of scrubbing I need to do, I guess. See how green those guys are? Need a bottle to be able to spray this stuff on. Don't normally play with stuff like this because I'm not the electronics guy. It shouldn't hurt anything. So we claim. Definitely better. I don't know what would work better. Would something like this work better? To try and pick up the whatever that stuff is. Well, I just want it to work. It doesn't have to be brand new looking. I guess we could play with this. I guess when we have our buddy Larry look at it, look at this side. Holy smokers. I don't know. Look at how thick some of this green stuff is in here. This, it looks like that's actually some kind of an electrode or something, but it's just green. Yuck. Crud I've gotten off of here already. Ugh. This is what the box looks like. Greenies there. Look at the inside of it. Isn't that gross? And if we look at this side of it, well, this is just the backing. But yeah, it's had some issues. So that's going to do it for our little issue here with this. Not really fixable. Just buy a new one already. We'll give you the number again as to if you have the same car. The part number, you can just look it up. I just looked it up on eBay. This is the way it sits in the car, but if you flip it around, and it is right there. So Delphi PA66GF14. Those are the numbers you need. And found one which I thought was pretty reasonable. I didn't price it out through GM. Was that a good idea or not? I'm sure this was worth a few bucks, brand new. Take care. You can subscribe down here in the corner. I'll put some links up hopefully right there, to some other things we've done. Check out the channel if you haven't checked it out before too. We have playlists of different things, such as, well, something like this. There should be a playlist of Impala stuff and other playlists too. There's some non-car stuff too you may be interested in. You and your family take care, stay well. Until next time, bye-bye from Uncle Mark.
Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, if you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. We'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.
Uncle Mark, welcome back. Uncle Mark, welcome back to the channel.